Most times in our trading journey, you'll be disciplined. You will come, stick to your plan, and follow the rules, but you still take losses because you're not in control of the markets. This is a new week. Let's just see how this week is gonna be. Last week I took losses back to back, and I just took 2 trades last week. Let's see how this week is gonna be.
It's what's popping, what's popping. This is the first trade of the week, and I just took this buy on GBP JPY. This is the trade. I opened about 3 positions on this trade. 1, 2, 3. Because when I entered the first position, it was not up to $50, which I was supposed to risk on each position. I was calculating my loss size wrongly. I was thinking 0.20 for 25 pips is going to give me a $50 loss, but I was mistaken for that. So I added extra 2 positions, but overall for this trade I'm going to be risking $52 if price end up hitting my full stop loss. But I don't think if price is going against me, I'm going to let it hit my full stop loss, because since this is a continuation move, and I like this type of setup because they tend to be kind of like high probability trade, so I might eventually close my trades around here if it goes against me, if I'm fast enough. Because if I'm not fast enough, then hit my full stop loss, fine, I'm just losing $50 which I was supposed to risk for the trade. But if I succeed in cutting my losses short, fine for me, I save, let's say, little pips, or let's say little profit I could spend for the next trade. So that is it. Let's see how this trade is going to be at the end of the day. No much talking here. This is the first trade of the week. I pray I end this trade positive, because currently I'm on 2 losing trades in a row. Man, damn, 2 losing trades in a row. And if this trade can put me up, I'm going to cover up all my losses for last week. And this is my TP for this trade. I think price could potentially get to this yellow zone, but this is my TP for this trade. So let's see how it's going to be at the end of the day. You can't tell what the market is going to do. You just got to seize that opportunity and watch how it ends up. So guys, right now the market is so choppy. Like, this market have been raging for like 2 hours now. What I'm going to do is this, because I want to leave this chart right now. I've been monitoring this trade for about 2 hours now, because I took this trade around 305 310 305 310, around that period. Right now the time is 5:23, a few minutes to 5:30. So what I'm going to do is this: I'm going to adjust my stop loss to here 197.677. That will be my new stop loss, 197.677. So 197.677. Then I'm going to leave the chart. Then this is what I'm going to be doing for now. I'm going to leave the chart and monitor this trade on my phone. If it gets to TP, it's going to hit automatically, because I've already set TP. This is the TP here. I've set TP for all the positions, so if it gets to TP, it's going to hit. But I'm still going to be monitoring this trade with my phone. Let's see how it's going to be. The market has been choppy the past 2 hours. Let's just see from here. And now I think London section is over, so I don't know what the market can do from here. But since I'm in a trade, I'm just going to let it be and come back and see.
That I got fried.
So guys, today is Tuesday and I just took this sell on gold. Man, the market is so volatile and I'm floating negative already. But let's see how this trade is going to be. I'm waiting for the market to reverse from this point. This is kind of like a continuation setup, but this pullback is a little bit deep, and let's just see how this trade is going to be at the end of the day. The trade I took yesterday ended up hitting me for stop loss on GJ. Yesterday trade was a stop loss trade. Let's see if this one can be a good one. I mean, the market hasn't been quite fair to me lately, to be honest with you. But let's just see how this trade is going to be. I'm floating deep negative at the moment, but I don't really know what this trade is going to end up as. I can't tell from here. Let's just see. The market is too volatile, very volatile. and man, I can't tell, man. I can't tell, but I got to set up here. Let's just see. The market hasn't been fair to me. It happens though. Let's just see from here, man. You're looking like a little baby. So guys, let's see how this setup is gonna be, Ajay. I don't know. Let's just see how this trade is gonna be. I'm even stuttering. Let's just see how this trade is gonna be. This is the second trade for the week. Yesterday trade played with me for about 4 hours, then it ended up hitting my stop loss. But I adjusted my stop loss a little bit, not too much though. I showed you guys when I was adjusting my stop loss yesterday. Let's just see how this one is gonna be. So guys, the time right now is 3 a.m. in the midnight, and the trade I took on gold today ended up hitting me for a stop loss. This is the trade. I lost $47 on this trade. Damn. This is the trade. Immediately it just hit stop loss. It went straight to TP, but it didn't actually hit my full take profits. But at the end of the day, I lost on this trade. I'll call it a day for today, and I'm not going to be trading today, which is Wednesday, because it's already morning in the morning, which is 3 a.m. I'm going to come back to the chart on Thursday because I don't trade on Wednesday. I'll catch the market on Thursday though. This week I took a loss on Monday, took a loss Tuesday again. Let's see how Thursday and Friday is gonna be. So guys, today is Friday and I didn't take any trade today. But yesterday I took a trade and I didn't record it because my phone was down at that moment I took the trade. Let me show you the trade I took yesterday. This is the trade. I'll show you on gold. Yesterday gold was bullish on 1 hour time frame, but I didn't notice that, and I took this short from the higher time frame and price stopped me out, consolidated, continued the downtrend. Then today when I was trading, I met a ranging market condition, so I didn't end up finding a setup. And you can see the market has been ranging from this point to this point, and now it's dropping because overall on the daily time frame we are still bearish. Overall on the daily time frame on gold. So I ended up not taking any trade for today. I'm done for this week. I'm going to come back next week with the same process, but I'm updating something I used to do before. Let me show you guys. Before I used to journal my trade, but all of a sudden I stopped because I had series of losses through my journal. If you journal your trade, you see the reality of trading. To be honest with you, if you start journaling your trade, you will know if you're moving forward or you're not making profit. Because one thing about trading is this: it's not all about making money, it's all about having that cash flow with trading skills. For instance, now just like a business, at the end of the month, am I profitable? At the end of the year, am I profitable from doing this thing? So all these particular things matter when it comes to trading a financial market. So I think journal is helpful, very very helpful, to be honest with you. I don't know why I stopped it, but I'm coming back to it to improve and refine my strategy. And what I noticed is this: even when I came back to this journal, I'm still applying the same process, same thing that I was doing. The only thing that changes from the previous one were like, let me say few, like out of 100%, I refined 30% out, 70 are still useful. Like I'm still using 70% of the information on my previous journal. So that makes sense to me. It was like, oh, I'm not actually changing, I'm evolving. Because when you're evolving, it's just like you being someone that is moving from this particular level to the next level, but maintaining the same person, something like that. Evolution is not total change. They are same thing, but different, like, let me say, in different way, in different dynamics, stuff like that. So guys, I'm done for this week, and I'm going to catch you guys next week. If you haven't subscribed to this video or to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. What I do on this channel is this: I document my trading journey. I might come back in let's say in the next 3 years, in the next 2 years, and when I start looking at this my video, I'll be like, oh, these are memories. I'm saving my memories online. If you want to see it, see it. That's just what I do on this channel. So if you like what I do, if you like content like this, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to this channel. Peace and stay blessed. I'm out.